Hello fan collectors, this is a CEC Georgian 36-inch diameter sold exclusively at Kmart in the mid to late 1980s, and I got this at a yard sale or a church sale for $4, and these things cost $20, around that much when they were brand new. And I'll throw in some tidbits on this ceiling fan. Is the first ceiling fan I ever owned was a CEC Georgian, albeit brown. They only came in white like you see here, and brown with oak blades, reversible to stencil. And this one does have stencil. You can see it on the other side, but I decided not to use it. And like it was something I added. Let me turn it on for you. Lights on. Shed a little light on the situation. Close up of the motor. There's the canopy. That's a 3 1/4 inch fitter. It came with an antique brass 4-inch fitter, but I decided to remove that as this looked more becoming on the fan. Alright, I'm going to turn the fan on for you. Start on low. Medium. Does make noise. But then again, it was such a cheap fan anyway, so what do you expect? But it was a good kind of cheap. It actually had sentimental value. Okay, we'll turn it to high. It's really starting to gain some momentum now. It moves some air, but not a heck of a lot. Probably because it's only 36-inch diameter. Despite the noise, it is well balanced. Okay, I think we'll power down now. See the tassel pull chain? I added that too. Okay, it's going to spin down now. It's one of my favorite spinner type ceiling fans of all time, really. Be good for like a large closet or something like that. At first I thought the ceiling fan was an SMC, but when I joined Vintage Ceiling Fans, they corrected me and told me it was a CEC, not SMC. And I do have another brown one new in the box, which I'd never taken out. The bearings are pretty good on this fan if it's taking its merry time to spin down. Okay, folks, fan has stopped. So will this video. Thank you for watching. More to come.